LayerZero's multi-chain ecosystem grows as airdrop hunters ramp up their efforts. Applications built on LayerZero's cross-chain messaging protocol are gathering momentum primarily due to excitement over a potential airdrop. Markets News own this piece of history. Collect this article as an join us on social networks. LayerZero is a communication method that facilitates cross-chain applications. Its low-level messaging capabilities enable the development of omni-chain functionalities on top of it, such as decentralized exchanges, money market protocols and numerous other DeFi applications that can benefit from cross-chain liquidity provisions. The LayerZero platform was launched in September 2021 with Stargate Finance, a cross-chain bridge, as the first application built on it. The project raised $261 million in 3 funding rounds, doubling its valuation from $1 billion to $2 billion from March 2022 to March 2023. Data analytics firm Nansen reported that decentralized applications, dApps, built on LayerZero are some of the top used entities across blockchain platforms like Arbitrum, Optimism, Ethereum, Binance Chain, and Polygon. In the first week of April, LayerZero-powered applications like Stargate and Radiant Finance were most used on Arbitrum and Optimism. On Polygon, Binance Chain, and Ethereum, LayerZero and its applications ranked between 7th and 30th concerning user activity. The primary motivation for the increasing adoption is the speculation around the native token airdrop of LayerZero. The team has included a mention of the ZRO token in their source code on GitHub, which makes an airdrop toward early users likely. LayerZero ecosystem growth. Stargate Finance is the building block of the LayerZero ecosystem. The cross-chain. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.